In today's video, we're going to take a look at NXPI. So here we're looking at the daily chart with nothing on it, and I see that price is above the 200 and above the 50. Now the 5 and 13 are not on the right side, but as long as we're above these two, I'm willing to look at the buy side because we also have a bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So what I'm going to do is run all possible projections, retracements, and extensions and see what we can come up with. Well, actually, I already did it, so I'm just going to show you that. Here's the next chart. And, you know, from all of these prior swings, there were quite a few symmetrical projections. So we have a very strong support decision that we are currently on top of that comes in anywhere from this 110.26 to 112.25 area. And let me see where the exact low is. Okay, so 112.43. So it wasn't a perfect hit, but it's close enough to look for a trigger. Now, if it starts triggering and holds above this area, the upside potential for a trade off of this area is going to be to this 123.13 area. And then let's actually look and see if there was any kind of trigger that we could look at for possible entry. Okay, so far we've seen day trade triggers. Here's a 2-minute chart where you had the moving average crossover and you also took out a prior swing high in the process. So that's one time frame that has triggered. Let's take a look at the 15 though. Okay, it looks like the 15 is trying to trigger. Actually, you do have the crossover here. Let's see if we also took out a prior swing high. Not quite yet. So you're very close to an entry that you can look at in this one, but it's not quite ripe for keeping it overnight just yet. But this is the general area of support. If we hold in this general area and it triggers an entry for you, you can take a trade. Potential upside target again would be 123.13, but if we do make a lower low, I'll have to run the new target from the new low. And let's see if it triggers an entry for you tomorrow.